Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candy, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I tie the simplest turban ever. I think you can do this with basically any scarf so long as you know how to maneuver it, but I like to use a pashmina because it has more hold, it's firmer, and yeah, it's softer. So if this is something you're interested in watching, keep on watching. So the first thing I like to do is to get my pashmina. This is how it looks. It's a blue and it's a light blue and dark blue scarf. So I like to fold it in a 1/3 kind of way. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. It's not half, it's like this. Hopefully you guys can see where I folded it because I can't see what I'm showing you guys, but I kind of folded it like this. And now I'm going to take this particular part and put it at the back of my head and start tying from the center, I might add. So I'm just going to take it like this and go this way, right? So now that we have our scarf on our head and 2 equal parts on both sides, I'm now going to bring it upwards and then start to tie. So you're just going to take it up like this and cross them over, and then I'm just going to take this part and kind of make it tight like this, like that, right? And then I'm just going to turn it around like that while leaving this hand. So after bringing it like this, I'm just going to tuck it in here, right? And then I'm going to take this other one and I'm just going to make sure that it is flat as possible and it does not have any flaps, like that. Then I wrap it around my bun. So once you bring it, you just take the tails and tuck them in, and that's it. That's really it. It's so easy. That's why I love it, because you really do not need any skill or any basic gilly skill to learn how to tie this one. It's very easy, and it kind of gives your head the illusion of having a crown on, which I like. But if you do not have, my hairstyle which enables this place to stand like this, what you can do is take another pashmina like this, or a bigger scarf, or a fake bun if you have one, fold it and put it at the crown of your head, right? If it takes using something else to press it, fine, but then fold it and put it at the crown of your head. Then use this to tie around it, and then it will just give the illusion of you having the same hairstyle. Or if you can't do that and it won't stay, you can fold it, put it at the crown of your head, use like a hairnet to hold it down, or tie a thinner scarf inside so that it can stay in one place, and then tie the bigger one on top. I've done something like that, and I'm going to, I think, link it so you guys can see that there's really no difference between the two, but I like this kind of gilly more. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you liked this scarf, or if you enjoyed it, or if you learned something new, I would really appreciate your comments. I would appreciate your likes or dislikes. Your feedback is really important to me, and I would really appreciate it if you guys tell me in the comments what other videos or tutorials you'd like to see. I just want to inform you that I have so much new exciting content to come, and I would appreciate it if you guys continue to show up for me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys.